Hello, friends, and welcome to this lesson. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to query. To query is nothing but to ask a question. All questions are known as queries. दोस्तों, आज हम एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण चीज सीखेंगे स्पोकन इंग्लिश के लिए। सवाल कैसे पूछने हैं, क्वेश्चंस, क्वेरी कैसे करना है। किसी भी प्रकार का हमें कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो हम कौन सी और किस तरह से क्वेरीज करेंगे। फ्रेंड्स, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज व्हाट, व्हेन, वेयर, व्हाई, हाउ, हु to learn how to query. So let's go to the next slide and see what our agenda is. So friends, this is our agenda to converse using all these instruments that are available to us for querying. Now let's go to the what queries. What is nothing but asking what is going on. So for that we ask, what's up? You might just ask someone, what is it? What are you eating? What are you doing? What are you thinking? What are you planning? You understand? So this is how we use what when we want to know exactly what they are doing, planning, eating, up to, what they are doing. What are they planning? What are they having? What are they doing? What are they getting? What are they thinking? What happened? So if something's happened and you want to know what happened, then you're going to say, what happened? What did he, they, whatever. So you can ask, what did they say? What did he say? What did she say? What did I say? So friends, this is how you use what in your queries, and there can be many other ways in which we want to use this. दोस्तों, what का मतलब सिंपली होता है क्या। तो जब हम जानना चाहते हैं क्या, तो हम what का प्रयोग करते हैं, और जिस प्रकार से मैंने बताया इसी प्रकार से हम कई तरह के सवाल करते हैं। तो what का प्रयोग हमने अभी इस स्लाइड में सीखा। नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड एंड सी what we have next. Now the next thing that we have is when. When will you finish? When will you give it to me? When will you go? When will you come? When will you eat? When will you sleep? When are they coming? When are they finishing? When are they traveling? When are they eating? When should I do it? When should I come? So you can use when should I, when should we, they. So when should they come? When should they do it? When should they eat? When should I climb? When should I drive? When is your birthday? When is the date? When is the event? When did you learn this? When did you do it? When did you go? When did you eat? When was your birthday? When was your marriage anniversary? When was he here? When was this done? And friends, when we ask questions, then we ask in that tone, because there's a question mark. When will you do it? And if you have to answer, I'll do it now. When will you do it? I'll do it now. When are they coming? They are about to arrive. तो दोस्तों, इस तरह से हम जब when का मतलब सिंपली होता है कब. तो जिस तरह से मैंने ये सेंटेंसेस बताए when को यूज करके, ये क्वेश्चंस हम दूसरों से पूछते हैं. और जब हम इस प्रकार से क्वेश्चंस का समावेश करते हैं अपने कॉन्वर्सेशन में, तो हमें बहुत सी बातें पता चलती हैं. और हमें दोनों चीज़ें आनी चाहिए, क्वेश्चंस पूछने और उनके आंसर्स देने. अगर हमसे कोई पूछता है व्हेन आर दे कमिंग, तो हम जवाब देते हैं, मतलब वो कब आ रहे हैं, हम जवाब देते हैं दे आर अबाउट टू अराइव, वो बस पहुंचने वाले हैं. सो डोंट ट्राई टू ट्रांसलेट, ट्राई टू लुक एट इंग्लिश एज इंग्लिश. व्हेन डिड यू अराइव, तुम कब आए. सो अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा किसी ने व्हेन डिड यू अराइव, सो यू विल से जस्ट नाउ. अगर किसी ने सवाल पूछा तुम कब आए, अभी. सो दिस इज हाउ वी यूज व्हेन टू क्वेरी. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज वेयर. वेयर इज माई पेन? वेयर इज योर watch? Where is my mobile charger? Where are they? Where are my cards kept? Where are the guards? Where are the caretakers? Where are the books? Where are the documents? Where did you go? Where did you keep it? Where did you find it? Where will you keep this? Where will you go? Where will they have dinner? Where will the team members stay? Where may I find this? Where may I keep this? So these are so many ways in which you use the query where. दोस्तों, where का मतलब सिर्फ इतना होता है कहाँ. अगर कोई कहता है where is he, तो उसका मतलब है वो कहाँ है. वेयर आर दे, वे कहाँ हैं. वेयर डिड यू कीप इट, तुमने कहाँ रखा. वेयर विल यू गो, तुम कहाँ जाओगे. वेयर मे आई ईट, मैं कहाँ भोजन करूं. तो इसी तरह से हम वेयर का प्रयोग करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन एंड सी what we have in store. Now, whenever we want to know the reason for something, then we use why. Why have you come? Why have you finished it? Why have you done this? Why have they not listened to me? Why have they gone? Why did you do this? Why did he come? Why did they not stay back? Why did they leave? Why is this so difficult? Why is he not here? Why is he shouting? Why is he eating? Why is he driving? Why is he not speaking to me? Why was this not completed? Why was it done? Why was he here? Why was the event cancelled? Why can't I? Why can't you do it? Why can't they stay? Why can't they understand? Why am I here? Why am I not eating? Why am I not clear about this? Why am I angry? Why are they not here? Why are they not listening? Why are they here? Why are they shouting? Why? So we want to know the reason. दोस्तों, जब हम किसी चीज का कारण जानना चाहते हैं तो why मतलब क्यों, ये क्यों किया, ये क्यों हुआ, ये क्यों गया, ये क्यों गए, ये क्यों नहीं कर सकते, ये मैं क्यों नहीं कर पाया, ये मैं क्यों कर रहा हूं, ये वो क्यों कर रहे हैं. इस तरह से हम वाई का प्रयोग बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस में बहुत सारी चीज़ें जानने के लिए करते हैं. उसके बाद आता है हाउ. सो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ इज when we want to know how something happened. So the modus operandi, how did they do it? How did they spoil it? How did they travel? How did they make it? How did they design it? How did you do it? How did you not understand? How can I do it? How can I even imagine? How can you teach me how to do this? How can you say this? How can they do it? How can they go just like this? How can they take everything? How can they be so irresponsible? How will you do it? How will they react? How will he cope with the problem? How will she understand? How are you? How are they? How are these books arranged? How was the function? How was your day? How was your visit to the doctor? How was it? How was the event? How is everything? How is this done? How is it that you couldn't do it? How may I travel? How may I request him? So these are the various ways in which we use how. दोस्तों हाउ का मतलब सिंपली कैसे होता है। सबसे पहले तो हम यूज उसको कैसे हो, कैसे हैं, कैसे किया, कैसे हुआ, ये क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, क्यों हुआ, जब हुआ तब हुआ, वो छोड़ो ये न सोचो, ये क्या हुआ। In this song, all these queries are there, and all these queries are queries that we have at different points in our life. And this is the biggest query: who? Fixing responsibility. Through all the queries we have gathered information. Now we have to fix the responsibility. Who is responsible for this? Who is it? Who is your best friend? Who is to blame? Who did this? Who did that? Who did he speak with? Who did he tell? Who is it? Who are they? Who am I? These are very deep questions. Who am I? Who can tell me? Who can do it for me? Who can cook this dish? Who can drive this car? Who will do it for me? Who will tell me? Who will inform them? Who will come first? Who will remain here for the whole night? So this is how we use who. दोस्तों who का मतलब है कौन, मैं कौन हूं। बड़ा गूढ़, बड़ा डीप सवाल है। वो कौन है, ये कौन है। हु का इस्तेमाल बहुत चीजों के लिए होता है। किसने किया? हु। कौन, कौन यहां रुकेगा, कौन ये कर सकता है, कौन करके गया है, कौन आगे करेगा। तो कौन का इस्तेमाल हम इस तरह से अपनी बातों को समझाने के लिए, पूछने के लिए और करने के लिए करते हैं। नाउ फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू। Queries are a very, very major part of conversations. To get the right answer, you have to ask the right question. Most of the time, we do not get the right answer because we ask the wrong question. And why do we ask the wrong question? We ask the wrong question because we are not clear in our mind about what we want to know. The mind is a great instrument. When the mind knows exactly what the mind wants, then the mind will find ways, it will find questions to get to the answer. It will frame multiple questions and get to the answer. You may ask many, many questions to get just one answer, and the other person may not reply, but as you refine your questions, as you go on, and as your mind frames new questions, you'll eventually get to the answer. दोस्तों, ये बड़ा आवश्यक है कि सही उत्तर पाने के लिए हम सही सवाल पूछना जानें। कई बार हम सही सवाल नहीं पूछ पाते क्योंकि हमारे अपने दिमाग में ही क्लियर नहीं होता कि हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें क्या जानकारी चाहिए। जब आपको ये क्लियर हो जाता है तो आपका दिमाग अपने आप सवाल बनाता चला जाता है और पूछता चला जाता है, तब तक जब तक कि आपको आंसर नहीं मिल जाए। सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई हैव गिवन यू all these tips so that in your life you start making effective use of these 5 W's and 1 H in order to get to the point, in order to get to the bottom of the thing, in order to get to the heart of the matter. दोस्तों, मैंने ये 5 W और 1 H आपको इसलिए समझाया कि आप अपनी बातचीत में अब इनका प्रयोग करें. हर रोज़ जब आप चारों तरफ चीज़ें देखते हैं, अपने से ही ये सवाल पूछे, व्हाट इज़ दैट, व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन, व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, वेयर वॉज आई, why haven't I done it, why have they not arrived. Ask yourself these questions. How can this be done? How could I have done that? And once you get into this habit, half your conversation will become queried conversation, the other half you'll be answering, and so many problems will get solved. दोस्तों, जब आप इस मोड में आ जाएंगे कि आपको पता है कैसे सवाल पूछना है, कौन सा सवाल पूछना है, तो बहुत सारे जवाब आपके जीवन में आने लगेंगे. और जब आप सवाल पूछना सीख गए तो शायद जवाब देना भी सीख जाएंगे और आपके जीवन से प्रॉब्लम्स जानी शुरू हो जाएंगी, सॉल्यूशंस आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी that you have watched this lesson. Thank you very much for it. I am going to see you in the next. Until then, all the best.